Good morning, Mighty Mustang. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stay standing for the German minute.
First, we're going to start with skaters. You're going to move from one side to the other like you are ice skating. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to run in place for a count of 10. So you're going to move your arms and legs like you're running, but you're going to stay right where you are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You may be seated. Today's Tuesday, October 4th, and it is a D-Day. We have one birthday today. Cameron Jonah. If you see him, wish him a happy birthday.
I have 2 reminders today. The first is for teachers. This is a reminder to get the Mighty Mustang Students of the Month to me so I can announce those for September. The second is that there is no Mighty announcements today. Students will take their regular transportation home. And lastly, I have one important announcement. The class that had the most students show up to open house was Mr. Glover's class. He had 11 students and their families show up. So great job, Mr. Glover's class. I'll be bringing you a golden horseshoe today. I also want to give a special shout out to Mr. Dardis and Miss Schuler, Miss Soriero and Miss Angelo, Miss Horton and Miss Henry, Mrs. Gray and Miss Otmar, Mr. Cornicker and Mr. Burgo, who all had 50% or more of their class show up to open house. Great job.
Make sure you read for 30 minutes each night and always be mighty.